bahay. Bang. Nakakaano.
Yung plakay.
Is satisfied. Will take 1 hour, crossing 34,000 feet. Take some clouds, long climb, descend towards our destination.
Kasama yun sa akin. Bakit? Yung party ko. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we're Captain Jason.
So maybe anyone here can understand Ilonggo.
1 kilometer. Because after 1 kilometer, the river is too narrow or small, but the river is continue up. So here we have 4 different varieties of mangrove we can see along the river. Because in the Philippines, we have 40 Tain and Tabigay. So we can identify the differences of different species according their legal name. Rhizopura apiculata, the scientific name. So that's why we got mangrove. Bakawan.
Venomous yung mga ganun.
Yeah, there's a venom, sir, but not aggressive. They are nocturnal snake. Yeah, but
Not glow in the dark. Ay, no.
dali. Yung ako, nasa mga kahoy, yun ang kay sa bahay. Oh, monkey! My sister! My long-lost sister!
Bago.
Ayun, so many. Okay. So when it's not moving, hindi nyo makikita.
Parang muna yung isa.
Back more? Or forward? Back.
Parang ito yung parang sulit ito isa.
Tapos meron pa yung
Parang tatay itong isa na dyan, oh.
Mahabol.
Oo. Where? Sa ulit nang dumaan tayo. Yeah, but I estimate only because if you want to... Yeah, lizard again.
Galing.
Wait ko nirayo ko pa lang mga pare. So, we have also a lot of fish in this river. The 12% is there. Wala nang makalabas sa dagat. So, maubos ko yung ating mga isda. And then aside from fish, we have also nasasabing pag-itim ng dagat.
One, two, three.
Super tight.
Ako rin nag-tour guide.
Before typhoon ulit, have an option. Tulong sa mahirap, sa Bakawan Valley. Thank you, my friend. Welcome in Mangroves again. Next year you will be